Good morning, everyone. We are at Animal Kingdom today. Scheduled an Uber about an hour ago and they pranked us, and so we're getting here pretty late. Lauren's been waiting for like 30 minutes. Here's your hoodie.
Thanks.
But yeah, we're at Animal Kingdom today. I'm super excited to ride Everest. We got Avatar, Flight of Passage, Safari. It's gonna be a cloudy day, not too hot. It's gonna be perfect weather. Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hey, good morning. Thank you. Sheesh. Sheesh. What are you most excited for today?
I'm excited to ride Flight of Passage.
Except how long is the wait right now?
I don't know, an hour.
Let me
I
check.
think.
Yeah, look at my homie right there though. What a stud. Sheesh.
Thank you.
First up, we're going into Asia. First up, we're going to Expedition Everest. Ride I've been waiting to ride probably since I was like a kid and saw the commercials on like Disney Channel. But I'm super excited for this one.
They're already gone, Tim.
Okay, let's talk about that real quick. I think Everest was like the best ride I've ever been on. I don't want to spoil anything, but that honestly was the craziest ride I've ever been on. Probably between that and like the new Star Wars Rise of the Resistance, like those are the best rides I've ever been on. Oh my gosh, I was just not expecting any of that. There's like so many different drops and like turns and stuff.
I was expecting the big drop.
Yeah, there's a huge drop. I was like, what? No, 100%. If you ever come to Disney World, you have to ride Everest.
Alright, so of course Zach wanted to go on Cali River Rapids, the water ride. So
We always gotta go on the water rides.
right in the morning, so this is gonna be fun.
That count waterproof? It is not waterproof. No, it won't. Wait, I'm soaked. Oh my. No. No.
Alright, this is the aftermath of the ride. How wet everybody got big. Sarah got pretty wet. Dallon's legs got pretty wet. Zach's hair got wet. And my dad got soaked.
Oh no.
Alright, so the rain came just on time right after we got wet on that ride.
What is wrong with my hair?
It is now raining in Animal Kingdom, which we actually love because it actually feels like we're in like the jungle. Cool. But now we're doing the, what's it called? The safari.
It's a like walk-through safari basically.
Whoa.
Kilimanjaro Safari right now. Gonna go see all the animals. I'm excited for this one. A lot of people always tell me they love the safari. We got everyone here. Let's see what we got out there. So we just entered into Pandora Avatar Land. This land looks so sweet. I'm so excited for the rides here in this land. I couldn't really tell there was like a transition into the land. It was just like Africa, and then all of a sudden we're just in Avatar. But I love the different like I don't even remember what it's called, like the robot thing the humans have in the movie. Right there is the gift shop. There's that robot I was talking about. You come over here, you can see the rest of the land and more of the actual design. That is kind of where the actual Flight of Passage ride is. It goes back into the corner back there. Again, super sick designs, just like in the movies. They have these exact same boulders. Today, the whole entire fam got the nice cheeseburger bao buns. What's up guys, it's your boy, back at it again. We're gonna go on the ride. And what ride is that? Avatar.
We're going on Flight of Passage, and this is my favorite ride in Disney World so far. I've already been on it like 2 years ago I came, and it's so much fun, and I'm so excited for everyone to go on it.
He's excited too. He's the real vlogger. I'm just here vlogging his vlog. We got our blue Avatar friend in there, dude. We gotta get him out. Alright, we just got off of Flight of Passage. Oh my gosh, that ride was absolutely insane. So cool. You actually get to like sit in like the Banshees and kind of like go through the experience of being on them. There's like visual effects, water effects. The ride like vibrates, you're in like a seat. So sick. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Love that one. Definitely my favorite one so far in Disney World. As far as my favorite like Disney ride ever, it might come behind Rise of the Resistance. I think so, but overall, perfect.
Perfect ride.
What'd you think?
So good.
Riding it again?
I love it so much. It's so fun, and it just feels so real. I love it. 10 out of 10 ride. So good.
What'd you think? What'd you think?
Incredible.
Incredible. They've been on it. They've been on it. She's been on it. What'd you think?
I thought it was really cool. I was laughing the entire time. Like I got super giddy because like I felt they have when you're sitting on the Banshee, you can feel it like breathing in between your legs, and so like it feels like you're actually on it.
Definitely. It was
really
so
cool.
crazy.
I like how it bounces too, like with like the flight.
Yeah.
Look down, Google. All right, the time has finally come. We are going into Dinoland. Gonna go to the dinosaur ride. Luke's favorite.
I am so excited. I've been waiting all day.
All day. Literally all day.
Ride.
And it is time.
Yes. Break
So we just got off dinosaur back there in Dinosaur Land.
0 out of 5 stars. 5 out of 5 stars. This ride was amazing.
No, so legit though, it was just like Indiana Jones. It was like the same track, I swear. It was just themed different, and the storyline wasn't that good. You had to like go back in time, rescue a dinosaur. Like the effects were cool, like they still had like wind and like little drops, but like literally if you close your eyes and imagine Indiana Jones, it'd be the same thing.
You'd probably think you were in slow motion.
We also waited an hour, maybe longer, but not worth it. 5 minutes, sure, but like, save your time. Go ride Everest again.
Alright guys, that's it for today. We had a great day in Magic Kingdom.
We're not in Magic Kingdom.
Oh, free! Alright guys, that's it for today. That sums up our day here in Animal Kingdom. It was such a fun day, but it's almost time for closing, and we're just gonna head back to our Airbnb and relax and get ready for tomorrow at Hollywood Studios.
Hollywood Studios tomorrow. I loved Animal Kingdom though. I did like it better than Magic Kingdom. But excited for Hollywood Studios tomorrow.
Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we love you. Bye!